Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're excited to share with you some amazing tech info about a product from Korea Hoist Company. This company is renowned for its innovative and high-quality cranes, and today we'll be focusing on their EOT cranes, jib cranes, semi-gantry cranes, manual hoists, single girder cranes, and double girder cranes. One of the top features of these products is their ease of use. With a simple touch of a button, you can easily control and operate these cranes. Plus, they're designed to be user-friendly, so even if you're a first-time user, you'll be able to get the hang of it in no time. Now, let's talk about some using tips for these cranes. Always make sure to follow the safety guidelines and instructions provided by the manufacturer. Regular maintenance and inspections are crucial to ensure the longevity and efficiency of your crane. Thank you so much for tuning in today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech info and product reviews. Until next time, stay safe and keep exploring the world of technology.